Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So I first want to wish everyone a happy and prosperous new year that's coming up. Today is New Year's Eve and I thought what better way to end the year than with a final unboxing of 2019. But first, guys, I want to share with you the bag that I decided to carry today. And this is my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather domed buckle satchel in the color natural. Absolutely one of my very favorite style of hobo style shoulder bags. And in my Facebook group today, the Dooney Den, we chose one of our very favorite bags that we really enjoyed carrying throughout the year. And you guys, this style and this particular bag was almost #1 in the top running for shoulder bags. I think this bag is absolutely gorgeous in the color natural, very easy to carry. And I paired it today with my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather little bracelet here in the color natural as well. And on the inside, just very simple, I have my vintage cosmetics case here in the all-weather leather. And I also paired it with my Florentine leather cosmetics case in the color natural as well. But I really enjoyed carrying this beautiful bag today for New Year's Eve. So anyway, guys, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, guys, so are you ready for the unboxing? So guys, this is an item, it feels pretty heavy, so I think there are a couple of bags in this box. I ordered these items, I'm going to say probably 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. So I think I know what's inside, but I cannot remember the colors that I chose. So let's see, guys. All right. And I will be able to tell you in a minute when I actually ordered these bags. Okay, not too bad. I ordered these items on 11/1 of 2019. So I can't remember what sale was going on during that time, but I know it was during one of the great sales. So here is what we have. So now it is coming back to me. So let's just take out the first one really quick. Okay, so here it is, and I couldn't remember the color. So this is the pebbled leather ridge satchel in the color dandelion. This is when I was on my little dandelion kick. If you remember the video with my little granddaughter, we unboxed a Piper in the color dandelion, and I had totally forgotten that I ordered another bag in dandelion, but it's okay because one is a crossbody and one is a crossbody slash satchel. So here we go, guys, and I think that this is an absolutely beautiful shade of yellow. So here again, it is the Dooney Bourke Ridge Satchel in the color dandelion. So let's take off the packaging. And you guys, I am one, if you know me, you know I am one that carries all of my bags, any color, any style, all year round. Plus in the area that I live in, it really doesn't get all that cold, so I can pull it off. So let's see here. Here is how she looks on the inside, packed very nicely. Does come with a dust bag. And then here, and then let's take out the stuffing. You guys, this is a very, very nice size bag. I didn't think that it would be this large. I had seen these bags in the outlet, but I had never really paid much attention to them. So I just thought that I would give it a try and try something different. So here she is, guys. This is actually a pretty nice size. And she does have a pocket on the back here. She has the Sierra leather trim, and she is a keeper because I think it's probably too late to return it if I wanted to. But let's just take off the plastic. So I have been doing lots of traveling and visiting family for the holidays, and I haven't really had much time to do any videos. So I thought today would be the perfect day to come on and to unbox a couple of items that I had been meaning to unbox for the last couple months. So here we go again with the Sierra leather trim, and she does come with a crossbody strap, and I don't think that this is one that can be made as a short shoulder. I'm not quite sure, but either way it works fine for me because this is a crossbody style bag, and I already know that I probably won't be carrying it crossbody because the strap attachment is here on either side, and I'm not one for that type of crossbody look with the straps. So I'll most likely be carrying this on the crook of the arm or just down by my side. So anyway, guys, here is the first item in the box. So if you would like to see a what fits or just a full review of this bag, then give the video a thumbs up, and that will let me know that you are interested in seeing more about this cute little satchel. So now let's go on to the next item in the box. Okay guys, so the next item is a flat item. As you can see, it is folded up, so that kind of tells you that it is not a leather bag. Oh my gosh, this is huge. So let's see what we have. What is this? Okay. All right, guys, so this is the Dooney Bourke Nylon Large Pocket Satchel, and this is in the color apricot. Absolutely forgotten what color I ordered. And this again was during one of the good sales back in October, early November. Dooney Bourke had tons of good sales during that time. So let's see here. Wrapped really nice. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is wrapped really nice. Okay. And more wrapping. So I hope you guys had a fantastic year for 2019. And I hope that 2020 will be just as fabulous. So this is a keeper, so let's just take off the wrapping here. They have this baby just really nice and wrapped good. And here we have the tassels. Oh my, you guys, look how large this bag is. and she does have a crossbody strap here, and I think this is one that can be made into a short shoulder. I don't own this style of bag, so I am not really sure. This is actually a style that I have been looking at and trying on every single time I go to the outlet. I love the look of it, but I wasn't quite sure how functional it would be for me. But you guys, this is a huge bag. So I'm gonna stuff it really quick just so you can get a better feel of the size. Okay guys, so I just stuffed her a little bit just so you can get a feel of how large this bag is. Let me compare it to my domed buckle satchel so you can see a side-by-side comparison. But I hope you can see the comparison. Pretty large. So anyway guys, here is the second unboxing of the last unboxing of 2019. So again, if you would like a full review on this bag, give the video a thumbs up, and that lets me know again that you are interested in seeing more about this beautiful bag. I don't know if I'm gonna use this as a travel bag or how exactly I'm gonna use her, but I absolutely love this color. Absolutely beautiful. So anyway guys, here are my two beauties, and this is again my Dooney Bourke Ridge satchel in the color Dandelion, and this is my Dooney Bourke large pocket satchel in the color Apricot in the nylon material. Absolutely beautiful. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a absolutely fabulous new year, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.